Put too much in. Okay, close the door.
Wow, that's a lot of food in the microwave. Hot.
Wow.
Close the door and turn it on. A bowl. You got a bowl. Beans. They're gone. Going to turn the microwave on.
Okay, you're going to turn the microwave on.
Close the door.
Close the door. That's it. Now turn it on. Okay, now we have to wait for it to be ready. Press the bottom button. Oh.
Ready? Is it nearly ready?
Wait.
It's ready.
Ooh.
It's nice and warm.
A bowl.
Okay. Is that good? What have you got? Pizza!